In this session, we are going to learn about security attack. Learning outcome is identify the security attacks. Okay. What is an attack? Access the information or accessing the information from the any organization or any website or any information system. Okay. Security attack is any action that compromises the security of information owned by an organization. Okay, that is called security attack. Here, it is an unauthorized person to modify the data, to damage the data, to destroy the data, and expose data from an information system such as your website. Okay, what is here? Accessing the information by unauthorized person is called as a security attack. Attackers can go about this in a variety of ways. The hackers is hacking in different ways. Here, the security attack is divided into two categories. Okay, security attack is divided into two categories. First one is passive attack. Second one is active attack. Okay, what is passive attack? Without modification. Okay, access the information without modification is called passive attack. Active attack access the information with modification. Okay, here we'll change the data in active attack. Will not change the data in passive attack. The passive attacks and active attacks also again divided into different types of attacks. Okay, passive attack, it can be divided in two types. Active attack, it can be divided into four types of. What are they? First, passive attack is first one, release of message content. Second one, traffic analysis. Active attack, first one, masquerade. Second one, replay attack. Third one, modification of message. Fourth one, denial of service. We will discuss the one by one attack. First one, what is passive attacks in deeply? Here, the unauthorized person will access the data without modification of original data. Here, passive attack attempt to learn or make use of information from the system but does not affect system resources. Here, not affect the system resources, not affect the original data, but the information is accessing, the information is using. Okay, that is passive attack. Here, what is the goal of our third person? To obtain information is being transmitted. What is the goal? To find out the information, to access the information is being in the transmission. Is like that nature of eavesdropping on or monitoring of transmission. This is called as a passive attacks. Passive attacks, it can be divided into two. First one, release of message content. Release is nothing but, okay, open the message. Releasing nothing but is the open the message. Here, the two persons are telephone conversation. We are third person here listening the data. The data is open. The data is leakage. The data is confidential information here. Okay, knows the everyone. Okay, that is release of message content. The telephone conversation An electronic mail messages or a transferred file may contain sensitive or confidential information. May be sensitive information or contain confidential information. Okay, or a transferred file or telephone conversation and electronic mail messages. Anyone can release of message content is called as a release of message content attack. Here, we would like to prevent the an opponent from learning the contents of these transmissions. Here, we would like to prevent an opponent from learning the content of these transmissions. How to release the message content? See the diagram. Here, Bob is sender, Alice is receiver. Both are in communication channel or internet. Okay, here the communication facility is there. In the network connection, both are sending the messages. In the transmission, in the network channel, the Darth is unauthorized person here. Here, the Darth is unauthorized person. Darth is read content of message from the Bob to Alice. Okay, here, what is the read? Any mail is sending to the sender or Bob is sending the any mail. That mail is read content. That mail messages or information is read content of message from Bob to Alice. Okay, here release of message third person. Open the message here third person. Okay, that is release of message content. Next one, traffic analysis. Traffic analysis is transmission. Traffic analysis is nothing but in between sender and receiver, in between transmission. Here, okay, here also accessing the information, but not modify the data, but not delete the data, but not replay the data, but not any data is inserting, but here any data is not editing. Okay, here also same like that, but here only identify the location. Okay, identify the location of the sender, okay, and identify the communication host who is communicating the data, and also observe the frequency. Okay, here observe the frequency and the length of the message. Identify the location and which person is host, and observe the frequency and message length. Okay, the small size messages or long size messages or normal messages, that is observing. Okay, this information might be useful in guessing the nature of the communication that was taking place. Here the traffic analysis is encryption of information. Here the third person, the hacker, even if captured the message, could not extract any information from the message. That is traffic analysis. See the diagram. See the diagram. Here Bob and Alice both are communicating in the internet. Capture the data of message from Bob to Alice. Here observe the portion of message. Here observe the portion of message from Bob to Alice in the transmission, in the network channel, in the communication channel. That is called as traffic analysis. Here identify the host and here identify the length of the messages and also who is the communicating in communication channel. Okay, that is traffic analysis. These two are passive attack. These two are passive attacks without modifications in the passive attack. And next one, coming to next topic, active attack. Here, modification of data stream or the creation of the false stream. Here, the modification will be done. The unauthorized person will access the information and also modify the information or delete the information or edit the information or insert the new data or creating the new data or creating the false data. Okay, this is active attack. Active attacks are, it can be divided into 4 types. Okay, here first one is masquerade. First one is masquerade. Masquerade is nothing but masquerade attack takes place when one entity pretends to be different entity. Okay, what is the masquerade attack is nothing but the sender sending the data, the sender did not send the data, the receiver receiving the data from the name of sender. Here, what is masquerade attack? See the diagram, masquerade diagram. Here, Bob is sender, Alice is receiver in the communication channel on the network. Okay, here Bob did not send any messages, but Alice received the message from Bob. Okay, who is the sending that message? Third person, unauthorized person. The Darth is message from Darth that appears to be from Bob. Here, the sending the message is Darth, but the name of Bob. Okay, here the confusing to receiver. Okay, that is masquerade attack. Here, masquerade attack. And next attack is replay attack. Replay is the data is accessing and also replay the attack. Replay is nothing but it involves the passive capture of message and its subsequent the transmission to produce an unauthorized effect. Here, Bob is send the message. Okay, Alice is receive the 2 messages. Okay, 2 times will be receiving the messages replay attacks. Okay, Alice is our receiver is receiving the message from Bob and also Darth. Okay, here the Darth is modify the data and also send to the receiver with the same name of file. Okay, here the Bob is already send the data to the receiver with the name of XYZ. The Darth is accessing the data or modify the data. Okay, the same file name XYZ that is sent to the Alice. Here, the Alice is receiving the 2 files with the same name. Okay, XYZ files are 2 files are receiving. Which file is original or which file is duplicate? Here, he did not understand Alice. Okay, here also confusion to the active attack. That is called replay attack. Next one, modification of messages. Modification of messages is nothing but the message is modified. Here the message is modified. See the diagram. See the diagram. Modification of messages. Bob are sent to the data. The data not receiving to the Alice. The Darth is accessing that information. The modify the data. The modified data is sent to the Alice. Here the Alice is receiving the duplicate data or receiving the modified data. Okay, the original data he don't know the receiver. That is called as modification of message. The original message is completely modified here. That is modification of message attack. And the last active attack is denial of service. Okay, denial of service. Here, the prevents normal use of communication facilities. This attack may have a specific target. Okay, what is nothing but here the denial of service is the disturbance of an entire network with by disabling the network or by overloading it by messages so as to degrade the performance. Here the denial of service is nothing but here the server and client or server and sender, okay, the without take the permission of user, the server will stop the services. The denial of service is nothing but in between sender, receiver, in between server. Okay, here the without permission of the users, the server will stop the services. That is called as a denial of service. See the diagram. Here, Bob and server. Facility. Darth, who are the disturbance? Darth disturb the service provided by server. Okay, here, Darth, unauthorized person, disturb the service provided by server. Server is services is provided to the sender and receiver. The unauthorized person that disturb the services provided by server. Okay, here the server services are disturbance. The server, the without take the permission of users will stop the service is called as a denial of service. Okay, these four are the active attacks. Okay, first two are the passive attacks. Here, what are the active attacks? What are the passive attacks? Different types of attacks are identified, okay, in this session. Thank you.